Howdy everyone, this is Grandpa with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, so I'm looking at the Gabriella today. This is a one-bedroom study we're gonna go into. By the way, this is what the halls look like, really sharp hallways. But let's go ahead and walk in. So we do have a keyless entry, and we've walked in really attractive apartment. Let me just highlight a few features. You've got a really nice half bath that's right there. Super nice to see this. You've got a great mudroom area that's pretty cool. And then we walk in and you've got a beautiful apartment here. So let's describe a little bit of it. You can see there's a really nice living room area that's here. That living room area is great. You've got a lot of space here to work with. You can put a huge sectional in here if you want, a pretty nice size sectional. You've got a balcony space. We'll see that in just a minute. But then also, you've got this really cool kitchen. So the kitchen's here. This is a really nice sized kitchen. It's got the island has, you could probably fit three, maybe four, but probably three stools there. Got a huge amount of cabinet space. Look at all this cabinet space, huge. All the appliances are here. They're really good. You've got a really nice fridge in there. But then check this out. You have a study. So this is a study that actually closes off. So you can close off. You've got a wonderful work area. And it looks like, let's see, that. Okay, so you've a study with, oh my gosh, with a closet. So usually if a separated room has a closet, they count it as an actual, room. But I would say, if you wanted, in other words, what I'm saying is, it's not just a study, but you could technically have a guest in there if you wanted to. It would be tight, but the possibility is there. So really nice to see that. Let's do now a part 2 video because I want to show off the balcony and then the bedroom and bath. So let's do that right now. If you have any questions about anything you're seeing here, send me a text. Just use the number below.